remember when we compared numbers a while back? Remember we compared another number to see which one was greater or less, right? Well, now we will be sorting groups by count, okay? Sorting by count is another way to compare numbers. After our lesson, you will be able to sort objects into categories or groups. We say categories or groups, they mean the same thing, and then sort them by count. So first we're going to sort them, then we're going to be able to sort them by count, okay? Look at my anchor chart here. All right, sorting by count has 4 steps. That means you got to do some things before you get to sorting by count. You got to do some things first. All right, so step number 1, you got to think. That's why I have the think sign here. Think. How will I sort them? Because there's different ways to sort a group. What do the objects have that are alike? What do the objects have that are the same? That's what you got to think first, okay? Then you move the items into groups, okay? So that's what this little finger means when you move, right? Number 3, here are the numbers. Then you got to count. You got to count each group. How many is in each group? Count the number of objects in each group. Then I suggest that you write the number down so you don't forget how many is in that group. Remember your counting strategies. Remember? You don't want to count the wrong amount. So you got to use your touch, mark, or what?
Slide.
Touch, mark, or slide. Good. Number 4, the last step, sort by count. Sort by count means put them in order, okay? Put them in order. Now, what kind of order do I mean? It could be from least to the greatest, or it can be from the greatest to the least. Very good, okay? Now, let me go back to this grouping. When we put them together in groups, they have to have something that's the same attribute. You know that word? Can you repeat after me? Attribute.
Attribute.
That means something about it describes that item. Okay, so first, so now you know the steps, right? Okay? Now, I have an activity for us to do. Okay? What do you think these are?
Donuts.
They're donuts. Yummy, yummy donuts. Okay, let's say you and your friend bought some donuts. Okay? Take a moment. I want you to look at this group. It's one big group, but we got to separate them. Okay? We got to sort them. Take a moment and think. How can we put these into groups? How can we sort them? You know, you have to have similar attributes to sort them. Think about it. Look at them. What kind of groups can we make? Yes, Quentin. Circles. Okay, so you could do it by shapes. Okay, good. So we have different shapes. If we don't do it by shapes, if we don't sort them by shapes, what's another attribute we can sort them by? Josiah? Color. Or in this case, we could say color or flavor, right? Okay, so what kind of flavors do you see? Strawberry, chocolate, and what else? Vanilla. Okay, very good. All right, so what I want you to do, if we do it by flavor or by color, how many groups is that going to be? Okay, so name a flavor we have up here. Chocolate. So we have chocolate. Okay, what's another? So that's one group. What's another group? Strawberry group. And a vanilla group. So how many groups is that going to be? 3. So we're going to separate them into how many groups?
3.
Good. Okay. Now, let's say that you and your 2 friends, you're going to have yourself and 2 friends. So how many friends is that? 3 in the group, right? You're going to be working with your group at a table, okay? And you're going to figure out you can decide however way you want to sort these. Everybody's going to have these pretend donuts at their table. And you're going to pretend to sort them the way you want to sort them, any way you want, okay? So I'm going to dismiss you to your group, about it. You gotta decide. Well, how are you gonna sort it? Go ahead and talk
How you
about
gonna
it.
sort it, guys? Flavor. Me too. Me too. Me too.
All right, how you guys? Did you guys discuss?
Me and her want to do flavor. She wants to do shade.
So 2 flavors and 1 shape.
Yeah.
Okay, so who's the winner for that?
Uh,
Okay, it's okay. Oh yeah, you do sort them on the board. Go ahead and sort them. Stay here.
I want to sort them by flavor. Yeah, I'm going to flavor.
You guys decided how you're gonna sort them yet? Go ahead and talk about it. Did you guys talk about yours? How you gonna sort them?
Flavor.
By flavor? Okay. Go ahead and sort them. Remember, they have to have the same attribute on here, and all these have to be the same, and then all these have to be the same. Okay? Go ahead and start sorting them on your boxes. Okay. Y'all what do you say? By what? By shape? What do you think? What do you think? Shape? What's the next step after putting them all on in one box? Counting them. How are you gonna count? Wait, how are you gonna count? Because you have strategies you can use to count. You're gonna slide? Okay, go ahead and slide and count.
I'm going to
Right.
2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5.
Okay.
3.
After you have sorted them, what's the next step?
The next step is write the number.
But before you write the number, what do you have to do? How do you know how many? How do you know how many? What do you have to do?
Count.
You gotta count them. So what strategy are you using to count?
Touch mark.
You're gonna touch and mark? You're gonna mark? Or you're gonna slide?
I'm gonna touch.
All right, do whatever you want to do. Use whatever strategy you want to do to make sure you have the right amount.
1, 3,
Okay, you wrote yours already.
4, 5, 3.
All right. Good strategy. Good strategy. Give me that 5. You have 5? How did you know that? But how did you count? What strategy did you use? Slide? Okay, let me see you do it.
1, 2, 3.
All right, you guys. Time for you to do what after you put the number?
You put it on.
Not yet. What do? We have to sort them by count, right? With the board.
Savannah, look.
So are you going to do greatest to least or least to greatest?
I'm going to least to greatest.
What do you think?
Least to greatest.
Okay, so it's least to greatest because you were outvoted if you were going to say anything else. But it's okay. Next time we'll do yours, okay? You're doing
To the beach.
least to greatest. Which one is the least? Okay. So the first one goes here.
Don't go to the beach because maybe shark.
Whatever you're putting first should start on that side. That's how we
I'm
lead,
going
right?
to my
All right, so we have these 2 left. Now,
I'm going.
which one now
I'm going to the.
is the least?